Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to do a couple ball joints on Joel 71 bay window. That's right, type 2 ball joints. They're a little tricky, but we found a way around it. So let's dive into this and get some work done.
Bracket or a piece that will go here and here, and you use that to press it from the other side. But this surface is the only area that you're pressing against, and that.
So we have to cut.
So you cut this outer ring and this outer ring off, and then you have a full surface area to safely push that out. I don't want to damage this part here, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a chisel and a hammer after we've made that pass with the cutting wheel.
That part's gone.
And then all you do is put it back in the vise, cut this side, use your chisel to cut that off, and then you can move to the press.
Alright.
Clean surface, perfect for
Pressing it up.
pressing it out.
There we
Let's
go.
go over to the press. Now with the surface cleaned up, this fits on there very nicely to press this out. Always make sure you're level and centered so these pieces don't come out and get you while you're pressing.
As you can see, the way that the press is set up to basically reverse press these out, that is the reason why we cut the top part of the ball joint off, so it actually fits in the press and there's less things to deal with. So it actually makes it easier. And then again, with the way he cut the outer ellipse off, that's how we're able to get this bottom piece on there and actually press it out.
Good.
Yep. This is a 20-pound press that we're using. 20 ton, sorry.
20 pounds. 20 pounds!
Got to make sure you step back and stay out of the way. That is a lot of force. I'm going to move more over here.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Me too. We might need to heat it up.
A little more on it.
Huh?
A little more on it.
A little more?
All right, the last couple we did not have to heat, but this one's just not wanting to go. We've left the pressure on it. Now we're heating it up.
One I used, the other I didn't. Now when it starts getting real hot, you hear it now? It's creaking. That creaking sound is it slowly letting go. Alright, so now we're going to press this back in, but what you need to remember here is you see this little raised area here and here, and you look on the ball joint here and you have a notch here and a notch here. Those need to line up.
That's your orientation for how your ball joint travels.
So once you get that lined up, we're going to place this on top of this piece here, so we got a section underneath so we're not pushing that ball joint all the way through. And then we're going to place this one on top, another one on top, and another one on top. And hit you or someone else.
Definitely, safety is number one. You want everything 100% lined up. So now that he's getting close, he's going to come in there.
And also, one of the biggest things, not just the safety, is if it's not lined up, you're going to press it in crooked and it's going to give you a really bad day.
We prefer no bad days.
Alright, now we're in there. And we're going to press this baby in. Make sure everything's lined up and good.
No bald spots, even better. Look straight. Alright, pressy, pressy.
Alright, now we're just going to watch it too and make sure this goes straight. And ease it down in there. We're gonna
Just about there. Almost
When
seated.
we get it seated, what I'm going to do is just give it one good tug. Make sure it's nice and flat.
There we go.
Release that. Now you have pressed ball joint.
Nice and brand new German ball joint pressed in.
And then when we're done with that, we'll go ahead and put our rubber boot back on. We don't want any dirt getting in there.
That's right, now we put our rubber on. Nah. Don't forget to use the rubber.
And then just a little retaining clip goes on. And that's it. Ball joint done. Well, maybe.
Clip
That's
is
it.
on. Good to go.
So there's all four done. Good to go. Got my head in the way. Hey! Anyway, if you found this helpful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share it, whatever. Don't care. Just trying to help somebody out. Those are some big trailing arms on those Type 2 front ends. So hopefully you found this information helpful. Until next time, take it easy.